Hey there, welcome. If you've ever wondered how to combine the power of AI with an easy design tool to create something truly impressive, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step way to use ChatGPT and Canva together to design eye-catching content, even if you're a total beginner. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to generate unique images with ChatGPT and turn them into polished, shareable designs in Canva. Let's dive right in. We'll start with ChatGPT. If you haven't used it before, don't worry, it's super intuitive. Open up ChatGPT and think about what kind of image would fit your design. Maybe you're making a social post for your coffee shop, or you want a banner about productivity tips, or honestly, anything you can imagine. Type a clear prompt for the image you want. For example, if you're promoting a sale, you might write, "Generate an image of a vibrant coffee cup on a sunny morning background." Take a moment here to be specific with your request. The more detail you give ChatGPT, the better and more tailored your image will look. Sometimes it takes a few tweaks to get it just right, so don't be afraid to try different prompts until you see something that really clicks with your vision. Once you have the image you like, just go ahead and copy it. If it's a link, download it first. If ChatGPT gives you the actual image, you can save it directly to your device. It's worth double-checking the resolution. If you plan to use the design for an Instagram post or a YouTube thumbnail, for example, you'll want a high-quality image so it looks sharp everywhere it appears. Now let's move on to Canva. Go to Canva.com and create a free account if you haven't already. Click Create a Design and pick the size that fits your needs. This is like choosing the canvas for your digital painting. Think about where your finished piece will go, whether that's social media, a flyer, or a website banner. Once your blank canvas is open, simply drag and drop or upload the image you got from ChatGPT. Give yourself a moment to adjust its size and position, making sure it fits well within your design space. Remember, Canva makes it easy to align and crop things perfectly, so play around with it until you're happy with the way it looks. Next, let's bring your brand or personal flair into the mix by adding text. On the left, hit the text tool and pick a style. Maybe you want a bold headline at the top or a subtle tagline at the bottom. Type out your main message. This could be your business name, a catchy quote, or whatever fits your theme. As you do this, think about the fonts and colors that match your brand identity. If you're creating something playful, try a bright color and rounded font. For a more professional look, go for minimal colors and crisp typography. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Maybe try layering text over the image or adding some Canva elements like shapes or icons to make things pop. If things look a bit crowded or off balance, that's totally normal. Take your time adjusting everything until it feels just right. And that's it. In just a few steps, you've used AI and a user-friendly design tool to create something unique. If you ever get stuck, just remember, experimenting is part of the process and you'll pick up more tricks each time you create. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions along the way, drop them in the comments. I love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials just like this. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.